So here we have the first lesson, 이에요 and then 예요. This is the word for be is mr, but for Korean, no matter the subject, what the subject is, we still use this. We don't have is mr. So like these two people, they're talking about Andy예요 is his name, Andy. I am Andy. And this one, 수잔이에요. So her name is Susan, so she used 이에요. So how to distinguish whether we use 이에요 or 예요 is dependent on the noun before it. So in the last lesson, we learned about vowels and consonants. If we use 예요, the noun before ends with a vowel. So there's no 받침 end sound as we learned in the last lesson. If it's 이에요, it ends in a consonant, so it means that there is end sound 받침 in the last word of the noun. So it's like 미국 사람, there is a consonant end sound here, so we use 이에요. 회사원, it's like end sound here, so 이에요. Andy, no end sound. 예요, 의사, no end sound, so 예요 as well. So there's a little exercise here. We have to circle the correct endings. The first one, 저는 Andy. So this is very easy. There's no end sound here, so we'll use 예요. 김 선생님. 선생님 means teacher, teacher Kim. So there's end sound here, so we use 이에요. More exercise. So 이름이 뭐예요? 이름 is the name. 뭐 is what. So what is your name? 이름이 뭐예요? So this person, Andy예요. 러시아 사람이에요. Are you from Russia? Russian people. 사람 is people. So it's no. 아니요. 미국 사람이에요. No, I am from America. American. 이름이 뭐예요? 미나예요. 한국 사람이에요. Korean. 네, 한국 사람이에요. Yes, I'm Korean. 이름이 뭐예요? 미에코예요. 프랑스 사람이에요. 아니요, 일본 사람이에요. So this is France and then this is Japan. 이름이 뭐예요? 투안이에요. 중국 사람이에요. 아니요, 베트남 사람이에요. Are you from China? No, I'm from Vietnam. 이름이 뭐예요? 왕이에요. 태국 사람이에요. 네, 태국 사람이에요. So it's Thailand. So you can talk with your friends and classmates asking them 이름이 뭐예요 and talk about your names. 한국 사람이에요. Talk about your nationality.